Hey, no, don't go there. What the? Oh man, what am I gonna do? Welcome to the Olymp Trade channel, the place to be if you wanna up your trading game. We're all in this to win, but today, let's talk about losing. How to cope with a failure in trading. Keep watching to find out. First, take it from me, there will be failures. You will experience them, so factor them into your expectations. The mistake most beginners make is expecting their trading journey to be smooth and easy. Let's make one thing clear. Anyone can open a trade. Closing most of your trades with a profit, that's the hard part. And you'll have to walk some bumpy roads to get there. Don't expect to see nothing but success. At some point you will lose money. That's the price of learning how to make a profit in online trading. Accept it. Prepare for it. That way, when you do encounter failure, you'll be able to recover, regroup, and move on. When you open a trade, you're always expected to be a successful one, right? So if a trade goes badly, some disappointment is inevitable. But the trick is to manage the degree of the disappointment. If you fail, you might be a bit upset or raging mad. Which would you prefer? The former is certainly easier to get over. So how can you keep your disappointment at manageable levels? The answer is simple. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your funds and risks across many trades. That way, the losses will be offset by success. If you put all your trading eggs in one basket, then you certainly have a lot of faith, but not much in the way of trading smarts. The best way to deal with failure is to avoid it in the first place. But what if you've done everything right, learned, prepared, diversified, taken all the precautions, and yet your strategy still falls apart? Everything is in the red, your money is gone. What do you do now? You pause and take a step back. In movies, you always see big league traders taking spur-of-the-moment risks under immense pressure and they come out on top. But those are movies, and the high-pressure scenarios are created for entertainment. Real life isn't quite as tense. And you can always take a moment to breathe, think, and make smart choices. Ask yourself, is it likely that a chaotic call made under pressure will end up bringing you profit? No, it's really not. Is it likely that you can make a good trade when you're angry, frustrated, and acting on impulse? No. And don't get me wrong, you will experience that anger and frustration when you fail. It's inevitable and it's okay. Process those emotions and let them subside. Take some time to clear your head, meet up with friends, have a calming cup of tea, relax. Just make sure to close your trades first to prevent any further loss. And when you've calmed down, you can jump back in. So, really, how do you cope with failure? Just accept that it will happen. Do your best to prevent it whenever possible. And step away from trading after a loss to avoid making impulsive decisions. At the end of the day, trading can be an important and valuable part of your life, but it's still just one part of it. Remember that. When the market hits you hard, take a step back, do other things, then return refreshed and improve yourself. Olymp Trade will always be here to help. Stay tuned for more videos like this.